My 2012 Nissan NV 3500 passenger van is about to get a couple of upgrades. Power windows, remote central control lock. I will be making a video of the install on these as well. There's no actual like button that you could push to unlock the door from the inside, so you'll just have to use the manual button to unlock unless you want to hit the key fob, but I think I can deal with that. And then the power window kit does come with two switches. This goes on the driver's side, so you got the driver and passenger, and this goes on the passenger side. This is gonna be really interesting. I hope I can make it work. The two of these combined were less than $100, so there's going to be some wiring to do, which could complicate things a little bit, but I'm not super worried. Stay tuned.